What's going on, fishing goobs? Welcome back to the channel. Today an old McNasty and myself. Oh, where's that? Oh, there he is. We're hitting the river on the kayaks. I'm trying to do some bass fishing. A little warm, well, a lot of warm, but it's later in the afternoon, so hopefully it'll start cooling off after a while. Taking the yaks out today. It's been a while, which is why we decided to go today, because it was a nice day today. But the river we're fishing on, in the shallows it's kind of clear, but it gets real brown looking. Not quite chocolate milk, but not quite crystal clear either. So try a few different tactics. There's a lot of lily pads on the edge of this river. See if I can get some of that in the frame. There you go. That's all down the river. And there's a lot of structure and laydowns on the edge that we can throw into. Hopefully hook up on some nice largemouth. That's the primary target, but if nothing else, I'll throw a beetle spin, try to catch bluegill or crappie, anything like that. I'm definitely not taking this camera, so you guys will be on the GoPro from here on out until we do the outro. But stick around, and hopefully we'll catch some fish. What do you think?
Cast ready.
Done. Well, not a bass, but decent sized bluegill. At least I think it's the bluegill. Looks like one. So we'll throw them on back and keep on bass fishing. And then the GoPro on because I didn't want to waste battery. But we'll see if I can get the next catch on camera. Well guys, it's been a couple hours later. As you've seen, I caught that one decent sized bluegill, but Mike did have a blow up on frog in the pads. I haven't caught any bass, so we're going to make the executive decision. We're going to move over to a pond that I normally bank fish at, that I've kayak fished a couple times. Usually have pretty good luck on the opposite side of the pond where people don't normally fish. A lot of grass around the edges. See what we can't do there. Stop by this gas station, get a nice refreshing drink to combat this heat. But just want to check in with you guys before we made the move, just to let you know what the plan is, so that way when you see us on a different body of water, you know what's up. Catch you in a little bit. There we go. Yep. First one at the pond. Freaking giant. At least a 5-pounder. No, maybe like a 1/4 pound. But hey, one more fish more than Mike. That's a fish right there. Told you. Giant.
Are you fucking kidding me, bro?
I don't know about giant. It might be.
Not. You
I've called that, dude. Oh, don't flip me.
bro. That's a lot of rod tip bend. That's a big. Oh yeah. Man.
Bro.
Slurpee, bud. Need some help? How can I catch one like that?
Bro.
The beast, bro.
Look at that tank. That's why you go bass fishing right there. Let's get a weight on this guy. How much do you think it weighs?
475.
I say 3.5. $3.64, 3.5. Check that out. Take a 3.5 pounder all day. Boom. I'll let this one go. You look very disgusted.
That's one word. Right over there, you caught a fish. And over here, you caught a fish. You want me to go sit over there real quick so you can catch a fish?
No, you weren't sitting over here when I caught that one.
Might as well have been.
Another one. Not sure if the sun's messing it up behind me, but there's fish number 3 out of the pond. It's a little bit smaller than the last one, but number 3 goes. Little guy, probably about a half pound. Not even worth getting the scale out. Another little guy, number 4. Well guys, back at the house. That last fish that you saw me catch, that's the last thing. So really the last hour and a half, we didn't catch nothing. Had a few bites, lost them. You may have seen that in the footage. I'm not sure if I cut that out or not. Still a good day to be out on the water, take the kayaks out. It's been too long since I've been on the kayak fishing. But hope you enjoyed the video. If you've watched this video all the way through, do me a favor, go to the comment section and type goober, just so I know that you watched it all the way through. And I do appreciate it. Helps the channel out. Helps it get suggested if you're watching it all the way through. And if you missed another video or the video at the end in the tagline, click on it. That also helps me out. If you did like the video, hit that thumbs up button. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. And if you are subscribed, thank you for watching another video. See you on the next one. Goober out. What do you say? Goober out.
Good ride.